So currently it's 6:54 in the morning here at upstate Newark, and looks like it's gonna start to snow again. It's really cold outside. You could barely feel tip of your finger. That's the kind of coldness I'm talking about. But looks like it's gonna snow even more. Usually just like this, rideshare is a good option to explore, but there's like pro and cons with everything. There's a few things I do like about ride sharing, and there's other things I'm not a big fan of it. They just give me another order for 504, not interested.